Hi everybody, today I will do the labs number 3 for the configuration IP. As you see in my screen, I have a topology here. So first I open the GNS3 software. I create a project, I name it. So first thing that I have to add is some router. I have a router C7200 here, and I drag it into the environment. At the request by the lesson, so we have a 3 router, so I drag it 3 router into the environment and 1 liner PC. First thing that we can connect the cables. We check the configuration if we have some connection that's compatible between the devices. So I can hover over the configuration here. This slot. I have the serial line here. Now I can connect it. Connect Ethernet. Connect to the first router, and I choose the no. This is no fast internet here, so I need to configure it slot, and I choose it FE for fast internet. Apply. Okay. Then I reconnect the cable. Fast internet. From the router number 1, we connect to the router number 2. We use the serial port 1. Okay, serial port 1. And from the router number 1 to number 3. Serial port 1/1. Okay, connect. Okay, so after the connecting, we can start all the devices. Right click and restart. Start. Now I configure the IPs. We have here is 192.1.12.8 and 30. Okay, so we right click and choose console. Wait a minute to it's open the CLI window. Okay, we call it CLI. Okay, first we want to see the connection, so we enter the line that show IP interface brief to see the connection. Okay, we have some Ethernet and serial port here. Serial port is 1/0. Okay. Now we enter the mode by in global mode by enter the line that config T. Okay. Now we set the IP. So we choose the lines interface serial 1.0. Okay, I will set the IP address 1.8 12 what we check 1 point. We can enter the IP like this and subnet map to 55.255.255.0. Sorry. I have to enter the IP address again. Two 55.255.255.0. Enter IP address. No, the line is not correct. The lines must be interface serial IP address port 2 for example 255.255.255.0 enter. Sorry. The word address not correct, so the point 1.12.2 for example, and then 255.255.255.0.0. Okay, no shutdown. No shutdown, okay. That's it. That's it. Okay, I enter the lines show running config. So running config interface serial 1. Serial restart delay 0. Okay. I finished setting the configuration IP for the router number 2. Okay. Now I enter the configuration number for the router number 3. And so okay. Router number 3 here. So IP interface okay, so config T. Okay. IP interface serial interface, no IP, just interface. Sorry. Okay, we now IP address. Sorry. Now, what is the address? Address it 9.1.13.0. Oh, sorry. 0.1.13.2 for example, and 0.55. Okay, we check the information again. So IP interface brief. Okay, it's up here. Oh, and I need to change the IP address of the router number 2 again, because according to the requirements we have to the prefix length is 13, not 24, so I need to change it. Config T. Okay, interface serials 110 IP address 1.12.2.255.255. Okay, connect to the router number 2 is okay. Success 100%, 5 per 5, okay. Route trip. Okay, I ping the second router number 3. I think this is not successful because I see that the status in the router number 3 is down, so I just try. Oh, still successful. Let's check. So IP interface brief. It's up, so it's successful. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, that's start on the device. have been connected, and ping is good. Connection is it can communicate with each other. Now what happens if I want to ping from line PC to router number 2 or number 3? If we enter the lines here, so it's never be returned, the packet cannot return to the line PC. Point 1, point 12, point 2, for example, like that. So you can see that no internet, no package return. So I ask internet, so we can enter the line into the router number 2. Okay, so I try to follow the instruction on the internet. If we can connect successful or not. Router number 3, I enter to the config mode, config T, and interface serials 1.0. Okay, now enter to the lines. Yeah, enter the recommendation. Yeah, IP route. Yeah. Okay, but I to enter. So we enter this line, and this must be IP the router number 1. So number 1 here, enter. No, invalid. No, it must be some the name IP before the router. So we should enter the IP here. IP. Okay. Enter. Okay. Message. Okay. Okay, ping again. Okay. Ping is okay now. After the configuration, the ping is successful. Okay, ping again. 12.2 for the router number 2. Okay, it's good. Okay, good result. Okay, so we can repeat the process for the router number 3, so it can ping successful between the Linux PC with the router number 3. Thank you for watching. My labs end now.